Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix camera which is not working in your Windows, okay? So let's start. First is you need to locate your cursor here in the Windows icon and do right click and then simply scroll up to locate device manager. Click that, and once you open your device manager, just simply expand it, and after that click the first option here, which actually the name of the computer, and then go to view. Then once you click on view, just simply go to show hidden devices. Here at this new menu, you can actually just have to search for cameras here. Okay? And if it is not here, you can search for imaging devices. Okay, let's see if it's not, then let's go to the action and then go to scan for hardware changes. Now here you just have to observe and look for your camera again. And if it's not, then go to this bottom and see if it has this question mark devices. And if it's yes, just click that and then do a right click and then go to properties and then no, go to update driver rather. Again, click the question mark devices and then do a right click and then go to update driver. Okay? So after that, you need to go to action again and go to legacy hardware. And then here in this new window, just simply click on next. And then here it asks you to what do you want the wizard to do? Just click this or mark this one, search for and install the hardware automatically. Just simply click on next. Okay? So let's see if your camera is not working again, then just simply go back to the legacy hardware and then click on next and then select manually. I mean manually select for hardware. Okay? Then simply click on next. And then here you need to go to imaging devices. And then click on next. And here you need to select for a manufacturer. So if you have a built camera, then select for Microsoft. And if it's external, then just simply click on next. I mean, you just have to scan all the devices here, look for USB scanner device, and click on next. Okay? So after that, you need to restart your computer, and now your camera is back to its normal again. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.